3 serious reasons why you need to stop using your smartphone at night. Smartphones are wonderful technologies in the modern era, however, they're signs of serious health issues. The blue light exposure may raise serious health risks, especially at night, as it can damage light-sensitive cells in the eye. Overexposure to blue light could harm your eyes and may damage your vision. Additionally, it suppresses the production of melatonin, which is a hormone that regulates the sleep-wake cycle. Here are 3 serious reasons why you need to stop using your smartphone. Sleep loss. As we mentioned before, blue light interrupts melatonin production. Additionally, without a proper sleep cycle, you may experience a variety of health disorders including heart disease, depression, weight gain, and anxiety. Also, blue light exposure before bed can worsen sleep quality during the night. Increased cancer risk. Melatonin helps the body fight cancer and blue light decreases its production. Therefore, blue light exposure at night can increase the risk of cancer, especially breast and prostate cancer. Eye damage. LED screens may also damage your vision. Mainly at night, as it damages the retina, which disrupts the central vision or the ability to see right in front of you. Studies show that direct exposure to blue light causes cataract-affected eyes at a young age similar to 75-year-olds. Here are a few strategies that may also help the harmful effects of blue light. When working on a computer, it's a good idea to look away from the screen approximately every 20 minutes. In fact, you should look at something that is roughly 20 feet away from you 20 seconds. Some people report benefits from using blue light apps that filter some of the blue light emitted through the screen. On the other hand, you can try blue light blocking glasses. Expose yourself to more natural light throughout the entire day. Thus, benefits to reinforce the healthy rhythms of your body, which helps to sleep better at night.